Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So today I have a brand new set of headphones. These are the Mpow H12 ANC headphones. So these are active noise cancelling. I've just been sent them and I'm going to give you a full review on this. So let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, so let's just have a look at the design of the headphones first. So these are the headphones. They come with the very common traditional soft protein memory foam ear pads, as you can see here, very comfortable to have on your ears. So you have the standard buttons there on the right hand side. You've got the play and pause, the next and previous track buttons as well. They also double up as volume controls as well, and also to answer calls and end calls. On the left hand side you actually have the ANC button. This is the active noise cancelling button, so if you switch this on you'll see a green light there, and this will confirm that it's on, and if you switch it down it's off. So inside the headband you can see which one is the right side and which one is the left side. On the interior of the headband you actually see this nice little padded headband there as well. Along the bottom you have the 3.5mm headphone jack there on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have the micro USB charging port there as well. On the actual ear pads you can see that they've got the Mpow logo just there on the top, and then you also have a plastic built ear pad just there with no other design or logos on there. It's actually very lightweight when you hold it. It's pretty easy to take with you. It's compact, and it can be folded inwards as well as such. So there's two ways you can fold this. So you can just twist the ear pads to the sides and have it flat, or if you wanted to click them inside you can just click one in there and click the other one like that, and then you can put this into the carry pouch. In terms of what else comes in the box, you have your micro USB charging cable, you have your headphone adapter as well if you want to use this through the wire instead of the wireless, and you also have a user guide as well. The last thing that comes in the box is this nice suede carry pouch. So it's a grey colour, this will fold up and fit in there, and you can just take this with you anywhere you like. And just some specifications around the headphones. They are 500 milliamp hours, but it gives you a massive 30 hours of playtime. If you do have the active noise cancellation button on when you're playing it, you will get 15 hours of playtime, but it's recommended not to use that for more than an hour or two, otherwise your ears will start hurting. But if you really do need to use it, then that's the way to go. I was on holiday last week and I used this on my flights. I've turned the active noise cancellation on and it just made such a big difference. I can drown out all of the noises in the plane, the actual plane noise as well, babies crying and that kind of stuff, and I actually enjoyed watching my movies on my laptop on the plane with these headphones. So they are connected by a Bluetooth, and you do get about 10 meters of range on them as well, and if you do charge them fully they will take about 2 to 3 hours if you've drained the battery, and once you've got a full battery in there it will give you that massive 30 hours of playtime to listen to your music. So I'm going to go ahead now and put this on to show you how it looks with the headset on, and then going to play some music and give you guys a review of that. So this is how it is from front view. If I turn to the side, this is how they will look, and also I'll give you a view from the back as well, and then on the left hand side. So I have this connected to my phone. I'm going to go ahead and play some music, and let's go ahead and play a song. Not bad, not bad. Even without the active noise cancellation on, I can barely hear myself speak. Now what I'm going to do is turn the ANC button on and see how much of a difference that makes. Wow. I can't hear my own voice and it feels like the world around me has just gone silent. And the bass in this song has just gone up exponentially, so it's very powerful. Feels like you're in a nightclub basically. It's just amazing. Once I turn the music off and the ANC is still on, it does feel a little bit weird on your ears. You just have to get used to that, but I will just turn it off. So now I can hear the ambient noises around me, I can hear my own voice again, and then once you take it off, it just, your ears aren't hurting, they're still perfect. So no matter what size ears you do have, this should fit comfortably. A couple of things I did wanted to mention about this as well. The bending of the ear pads, they do make a little clicking noise, so if you try to hear up. Now, it clicks back into place. It gives you that security that it's quite strong and it won't just keep bending when you don't need it to. But sometimes people may assume that it's breaking or you've cracked something or anything like that, so that's not the case. Just avoid that. One thing I would really like is for the headband to be adjusted a little bit more smaller. When I do put them on, there's a tiny bit of a gap from the top headband to my head, so I could lower it, but then it presses against my ears. So depending on the size of your head, then this is something just to be aware of. For most people, this should be okay, but depending on if you have a very small head, then you may struggle to get this to fit securely, and it might start falling backwards and forwards. And the other thing is, when you do put this on and off, you may sometimes accidentally click it or make that noise. I wouldn't worry too much, it's just securing it in place, so that's just something to be aware of. If you're going to go running, or if you are traveling on a train or a plane or anything like that, then these are perfect for you. Now, they do come in at £40 in the Amazon UK website, and they are $40 on the Amazon US website. So I'll have all of the links in the description below on where you can purchase this set of headphones. They've got some awesome reviews, and I do credit them as well, so for me it's a big thumbs up. And if you have any other questions, then do drop a comment below. Otherwise, I appreciate your time. I hope you subscribe, I hope you like, and I will catch you guys at the next video. Take care.